Hi everyone, this is a Focus Spender, and today I'm going to be talking about organizing your paper financial documents. But first, if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. My channel is all about getting out of debt, staying out of debt, organizing your finances, and increasing your net worth. So let's get started. So well before Marie Kondo had her show on Netflix, I actually read her book, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, about 2 years ago. And I have to say, when I read that book, I was ready to throw away everything that did not spark joy. In fact, I bought a copy from my mom and I bought a copy from my aunt, and I said, you guys have got to read this book and get your life together. So what I liked about the book is that I'm already into organizing my closet and getting rid of clothes periodically, so that part was a breeze. But the hard part was when she talked about getting rid of like your stuff and your paper. And I knew I needed to do something because at that point I just had cabinets or file cabinets of papers with file folders, and it was just a mess. I would always stuff everything in there. I never knew where anything was, and it was just like, okay, overwhelming. So at that point I decided I had to do something different, and I decided that I was going to start organizing my paper into binders. And this is something that I actually do at my job, so it was something natural for me, but I just had to organize it in a different way. So if you look behind me, you've probably noticed this in videos before, but I have a few binders, more than a few binders here behind me. And there's 3 binders that I'm going to go over today, and that's my health binder, it's my regular personal finance binder, and it's my home and auto binder. And so what I do is in each binder, I have tabs that further delineate what it is that I'm organizing, and then I use plastic sleeves to keep the papers all together. So I'm not like hole punching anything. I just slip it into the sleeve and that's it. So what I'm doing in these binders is that I file away paper that I cannot easily access online, or things that I'm just not going to get online. So for instance, I don't file away my bank statements because I can easily pull that up. But let's say I get something new from my bank, or I apply for something, or it's just something that I have to set up and I want to keep a record of it. Well, then I'll just slip it into a protective sleeve and then I'll put it into the binder. Or it could be like a receipt that I need from my flexible spending account or my health reimbursement account. I will just put it into a sleeve and I will tuck it into the binder. So these binders, if you're going to do this, you definitely should label them. I took the labels off a while ago because they were peeling off, and it just looked really bad on camera. So I figured, I know what these binders are for. I don't actually need to keep the labels on. But if you're going to do this and you're going to have multiple binders, you definitely should label the front and the sides of the binders. So now I'm going to give you a quick tour of my binders so that you can see exactly what's in it. So this is my health binder, and it's not directly financial, but I need some of this information so that I can file for different reimbursements, things of that nature. So I have a tab for medical, which things you can find online. I have a tab for my dental stuff, my receipts. I have a tab for vision, like when I get contact lenses, I save the receipts so that I can file for reimbursement. I have any FSA or HRA documents that I receive. I have stuff for my life insurance. I have stuff for my job. This binder has like my real financial stuff, so I keep important things about my 401k, my pension, my taxes. So what I do with the taxes folder is that I have a copy, all the backup for last year's taxes in it, and then I also have like all the receipts that I've been getting that I'm going to use for taxes. I just stick them into a plastic sleeve there. I have things about my investments, and then I just have miscellaneous, which is like the catch-all thing. This binder is for my car and co-op, and honestly it's a hot mess. I have tabs, but I haven't organized it in any type of way, but I'm just glad that it's all in one binder, so I'm not looking for things in my filing cabinet. You can buy these binders and plastic sleeves at any office supply store, but I'll leave some links below so you can see exactly what it is that I'm purchasing. I also wanted to tell you that if you are ready to organize your finances outside of paper and you want to maximize how much money you're saving and investing, definitely be sure to download my guide, The 5 Payday Mistakes That Are Keeping You From Growing Your Savings and Investment Accounts, and I have that link below. If you like this video, be sure to click like, share, and comment below. You can find me on social media at Focus Spender on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks. Bye-bye.